Hey there, so in this video I'm sharing with you 5 profitable business ideas that you can start online even right now, even without any capital, right? So I know very well that you are looking for ways to make extra income, you are looking for ways to make a side income online, and you are thinking of what are the best options, what are some of the things that you can do to start making money online. I've been in this online space for some time now, and I've tried a few things, and few of them have worked for me, some have not worked, and I've put together this 5. In this part 1 of the video I'm sharing 5, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you an important resource that I've put together that will help you to start working on any of these ideas you find interesting. So let's get straight into the 5 profitable business ideas you can start in Africa today, even if you don't have any capital to get started. Let's go. Hi there, my name is Desmond Edem Ekulu. I'm an author, an online publisher, and also an online business strategy consultant. What I do here is that I help you to grow your business online, and I also help you if you want to write and publish your book online. I help you with tips and strategies to make those dreams come true, help you achieve the results that you are looking for. So this is the kind of content or the things you're looking for. Why not follow this channel or subscribe, like the page, and follow the page. Whatever you need to do to get in touch, I upload videos every week, so you are sure of getting some help every single week. So let's get into the 5 profitable business ideas that you can start right now in Africa. And it doesn't matter if you have money or not. And as I said, I have tried a few of these ideas. I will not be sharing anything with you that I've not tried before. I've shared some of these. I've worked on some of these ideas before, and some of them I'm no longer doing them, but I have some experience in them. I've moved on from certain things right now, and I want to share them with you. So let's go to number 1 right now. Number 1 is blogging. A lot of people think blogging is gone, blogging is dead, but I can tell you for a fact that blogging is still much profitable. It's one of the things that if you have love for writing, it's one of the things that I would recommend that you do. If you are not really into writing, if you don't like writing, it may come up difficult for you to write blog posts. But if you love writing and you know that you can actually write quite consistently, then I advise that you start with blogging. You just need a website, and you can get a website. You can get a free website, or you can pay a little money monthly for your website to be designed for you. In my agency, we design website with as little as 70 cedis per month. That's just a little above. I think it's about $15 a month to get you a website designed fully functioning. $50 a month, right? That's quite cheap. So why should you go into blogging? Blogging because people still read blog posts. Like, people think that, well, people are no longer reading, but I can tell you for a fact that people still read. The statistics are out there. You can go and search how many people are reading blogs today in 2021. When I did my search, I realized that 500 million people are still reading blog posts today, right? They search about 2 billion blog posts every month, and that is a huge number that you can also be a part of. So if blogging is something you want to do, consider these numbers and also get started. The thing with blogging is that there are so many ways you can make money from blogging. You can get money from AdSense. You can also do other things like sell products, sell banner ads on your blog. Also, you can go into affiliate marketing, where you include links on your blog, and people can click on those links and purchase products from other people's websites, and you make a commission out of that. So these are very interesting things, and if you stay to the end, I'm going to offer you an ebook where you can find more information on how to go about some of these things. So number 2 idea is freelance content writing. So this is just an app skill, or one closely related to blogging. If you know how to blog, then you can also do freelance content writing. So blogging means that you are just writing on a website for yourself, and you want to make money from that. But when it comes to freelance content writing, what that means is that you are writing articles, blog posts for other people. So there are sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn where you can find people who are looking for writers. So they pay you. I think they pay about $10 for about 500 to 1,000 words. And if you write these articles, if you are able to write at least one of such a day, you are making $10 a day. But you have to make sure your writing is good, your research skills are good. You can find good information and write SEO articles for these people so that you can make money out of that. So this is also a very good opportunity for you to jump on. So if you like writing, why not? You can start freelance content writing. So let's go to number 3. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. So you realize that I talked about affiliate marketing and blogging. So affiliate marketing basically is a business model where you, as the marketer, can get a product from another person who is a source or who is a seller, and then you advertise that product using a particular link that is given to you. Anybody who clicks that link online and buys from the source or the seller of the product, then you get to earn an affiliate commission on the sale you have made, right? So you don't really need a capital to start this thing. All you need is just to know how to sell, how to market the products, and you have some audience that you can market this product to. That is good. If you don't have any audience, it is good that you can start creating content. So you have a blog, you can start putting content on your blog and start putting the links where it is necessary, so that people can click on those links and then go and buy those products, and you can make some money out of it, right? So that is also another important way or another opportunity you can leverage to start making money online, even if you don't have any money to get started with. Let's move on to number 4. So number 4 idea that I want to share with you is podcasting, right? Podcasting is another way of creating content. So some people are good with writing, but other people are good with talking, so they can talk very well, and so you can do podcasts, right? You can do a podcast, so you can either do a video podcast or an audio podcast, and you can do this with even your smartphone. There are apps that can help you record your voice, put some music on it, and then you can upload to platforms. There's an app called Anchor FM. It's a very good podcasting app. So you can use Anchor FM on your phone, on your smartphone, to record amazing podcasts and publish to several sites on the internet. So if you are good with your voice, you can talk about a topic, something that you want to talk about. It's good to start a podcast, and when you get the numbers, people listening to you, you can actually make money from sponsorships. You can make money selling products. You can make money from advertising. People can advertise on your podcast and all of that. And you can also make affiliate income from your podcast. So these are several ways you can also monetize your income, your podcast, right? So let's move on to number 5, which is drop servicing. All right, drop servicing. So drop service is a term that if you know about drop shipping, dealing with importing goods, then drop servicing is about selling services to people, that the services that you're not rendering yourself. So when people actually want some services, you can position yourself as someone who can help them source for those services, or who can help them actually render those services to them. So meanwhile, you are not the person who is doing it. So all you can do is that you can set up maybe a channel, you can set up a page, an account online, a website online, where you have people who work with you, right? So a simple Facebook page can help you do that. I do drop services a lot. I do a number of services that I don't do them myself. Doesn't mean that I can't do them myself, but just that I want to use that time for something else, and so I outsource the service to somebody else to do, and then we share the profit. So that is also another way of making money online. Your job is just to look for the people who are interested or who want someone to do the service for them. That means you have to build a brand that people are looking for, a brand that they will trust and entrust their project into your hands, or whatever they want to do into your hands, so that you can then get somebody else who can do it, so you share the profit. So you don't really need to know how to do it, you just need to know how to get the people who want the service to be rendered for them. All right, so these are the 5 services that I want to share with you in this part 1. I have part 2 coming up next week, where I share with you another 5 opportunities that you can jump on right now, even if you have no money. So let's just do a quick recap right now. Number 1 is blogging. Number 2 is freelance content writing. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. Number 4 is podcasting, and number 5 is drop servicing. Right, I'll link my product because you've stayed to the end. I'm linking an ebook in the comment section or in the description of this video. I'm linking my ebook on the 10 profitable online business you can do in Africa, even if you have no money to get started. I'm going to link that ebook, providing you more information about all these opportunities I've shared, and then you'll be able to get started. If you have any questions about any of these things, I'll be able to offer some help. So please ask your question in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, why not give it a like, follow the platform, just get in touch, and every week when I upload this kind of videos, you'll be the first to know. Also, please share the video with someone if you enjoyed it. They will also enjoy it. So thank you very much. This is Desmond Edemekulu signing out. See you next week. Bye.